Mouse filming him.
Queenie, yeah!
Hold your feet up, dude.
Feet up.
There you go.
Because of the angle of the branch, he swings
Oh, crooked?
just a little bit, but it makes like an even half circle.
Better than nothing.
He likes it.
Yeah, he likes it. There you go. Push him, Deej. Use your feet. He needs to learn to use his feet.
Swing.
Does he use the swings at the park?
Loves it.
Yeah. There you go, Deej. See, that holds on to it.
Not every little kid has a swing in their backyard, bud.